Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is a well-known book, Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for I.S.I entrances. Now let's check what is in this question. Out of a circular sheet of paper of radius a sector with central angle theta is cut out and folded into the shape of conical funnel. Show that the volume of the funnel is maximum when theta equals 2 pi root over 2/3. Suppose this is the circular sheet with radius a, okay, and suppose this portion with angle theta is cutted out. Okay, this is the cutted portion. This is the cut portion. Okay, now from this cutout portion, we made a funnel. Okay, and suppose the radius of the base is r, and this is the height h of this conical funnel, and this is equals to a, and this angle is theta. Now the perimeter of this portion, the cutout portion, is perimeter of the cutout portion is total perimeter minus a into 2 pi minus theta. Okay, if we subtract a into 2 pi minus theta, that is the perimeter of this portion, from the whole perimeter we get our required perimeter, and this results in a theta. Okay, now the perimeter of the base of the cone is 2 pi r. Of the base of the cone is equals to 2 pi r. Therefore we can say that 2 pi r is equals to a theta. Hence r is equals to a theta divided by 2 pi. Now the volume of the cone is equals to v, which is 1/3 pi r square h. Now the value of r square is a square theta square divided by 4 pi square, and the value of h is a square minus a square theta square divided by 4 pi square. Okay, here we get a cube 24 pi square theta square multiplied by 4 pi square minus theta square. Now if we do the derivative to find the maximum volume and equate it to 0, we get a cube divided by 24 pi square multiplied by 2 theta root over 4 pi square minus theta square minus theta cube divided by root over 4 pi square minus theta square. If V to be maximum or minimum, for V to be maximum or minimum, dV d theta is equals to 0. Okay, therefore we get 2 theta root over 4 pi square minus theta square minus theta cube divided by root over 4 pi square minus theta square equals to 0. Hence we get 8 pi square minus 2 theta square minus theta square equals to 0, and here theta is not equals to 0. Therefore the value of theta is 2 pi root over 2/3. Okay, so for theta equals to 2 pi root over 2/3, the volume of the cone is maximum. We can check it by doing the double derivative, that is d2v d theta square at theta is equals to 2 pi root over 2/3. We get a cube divided by 24 pi square 2 root over 4 pi square minus theta square minus half 4 theta divided by root over 4 pi square minus theta square minus 3 theta square root over 4 pi square minus theta square plus 2 theta to the power 4 divided by 4 pi square minus theta square whole to the power 3 by 2. At theta is equals to 2 pi multiplied by root over 2/3, and this is less than 0. Therefore we can say that the volume of the funnel is maximum when theta is equals to 2 pi root over 2/3. Okay, so that's the proof, and that's all for today. These RSS classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website, which is www.rssclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you very much.